So beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. I am searching for some flowers and I'm in my soft living era right now. I need to get some flowers to set this soft living mood. So with the soft living, I have to get me some flowers. These flowers branches are beautiful. Put them in some water and I bet you they will blossom so beautiful. But I don't think I want to get those. Let's just browse some fruits. I love my oranges and lemons and mangoes. Fruits are just so good. Right now I'm about to put these flowers in this water vase, but first I'm going to put the plant food in the vase, and it seems like it's stuck, but I'm not going to edit out this part of the video. Y'all just go see me struggle with trying to get this plant food into this vase. Enjoy the vlog. So I put them right here in my living room and put this vase somewhere else. But I just love the look of it. So I'm getting ready to clean my lettuce. It's just a habit of nature. I always have to just thoroughly clean my vegetables and fruit. So I'm just cutting up the lettuce like this. This is how my mom taught me how to cut up lettuce, and then put it in the water to soak, to, clean it. And I'm just cleaning all the vegetables together in the sink. Let it sit for a little bit. Yes, indeed. And then I'll do my rinse on all the vegetables. Okay, so here's the cabbage cut up. I didn't film it because, it takes time, you know what I mean? Cutting up everything and all that, and I just didn't want to like take too long. But yeah, done cutting up everything. I have the grease warming up on the stove before I get to cooking this corned beef and cabbage. Now I forgot to fry my onions first with some other vegetables, but I'll do that towards the end. I'm all backwards tonight, but right now I'm just frying the cabbage. I really don't like to put onions in my cabbage. I only put like a little bit of onions. I only like onions on my hamburgers, not a lot of onions on my cabbage. Anywho, enjoy the vlog. I'm gonna stop talking. Now it's time for me to open this can of corned beef. Okay, y'all, hold on. Let me carefully turn you around. Okay, now my tripod acting up, but it's still put together and it's functioning, but it's been a long day. Thank y'all for stopping by. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. It was really quick because sometimes late in the evenings in my daily life of living, you know, I go outside and go see the outdoors, go to the store or something. But I hope y'all enjoyed this mini vlog. Y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going and if you went anywhere today or did anything. Tomorrow I plan on not going anywhere, but some days I will go outside, go places. Like, girl, right now I need to sit down. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down, just stay home, catch up on some TV shows. I like to do that sometimes. That way, I know that, okay, I spent my good quality time taking my time watching TV, just at home relaxing. Of course, I'm always at home, but I'm cleaning. Like this morning, I was cleaning up the dust. There's always dust. So I gotta get out my dust broom tomorrow and dust around the place. But yeah, I'm always just moving around, whether I'm cleaning my house, running errands, going to appointments. But tomorrow it's at home, okay? Yeah, so dinner is ready. I'm gonna make some plates, but I want to show y'all what dinner turned out looking like. And yeah, that'll be the end of this vlog. Tomorrow I will see y'all. Yes, indeed. And I'll try to do a morning vlog, hopefully. That way you get a vlog in the morning. It'll probably be like a 10 or 15 minute vlog, something like that. Yeah, maybe a chit chat, maybe I'll talk, you know, come up on here, make some coffee in the morning. I really enjoy making coffee on camera and chit chatting. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good night. I'm gonna end out this vlog now.